Hi everyone, welcome to X Fanatical. Today, you're going to learn how to create ranked choices in Google Forms using the multiple choice grid feature in just 5 easy steps. What if I told you that your Google Forms are only capturing half the story? Here's the thing, many times when you create a form, you want to understand people's preferences, not just get a simple yes or no. Or maybe you're collecting data to analyze trends, but the way your form is set up, you're not getting the information you actually need. For example, instead of just asking, "What's your favorite food?" and getting one answer, what if you could ask them to rank their top 3 favorites? That's way more useful, right? That's exactly what ranked choice questions do. They let respondents prioritize their answers, first, second, third, so you can understand what matters most to them. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how to create this in 5 simple steps. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open your Google form and add a heading and description. Then, add your question. For example, what are your favorite foods at the event? Step 2. Head to the answer options and select multiple choice grid. A series of rows and columns will appear below your question. Step 3. In the rows section, add your ranking positions. First choice, second choice, third choice. In the columns section, add your options. For our example, we'll add pizzas, tacos, nachos, burritos, and cakes. Step 4 is turn on require a response in each row. This ensures respondents won't skip any choices, like accidentally missing the second choice. Step 5 is click the 3-dot menu in the bottom right corner and select Limit to 1 response per column. This prevents someone from ranking the same option more than once. And that's it. Your ranked question is ready to collect insightful, structured feedback. Now click the preview icon to check how your form looks before sharing it. Respondents will see a clean, table-like interface where they can select one option per rank. And here's the best part: if they accidentally select the same option twice, like ranking tacos as both first and third, Google Forms will automatically block the duplication. Creating ranked choice questions in Google Forms is a smart way to go beyond basic feedback. It helps you understand user preferences in depth, prioritize what matters most, and avoid indecisive answers. Now that you know how to create ranked choices in Google Forms, try using this feature in your next survey, whether it's for business, education, or just for fun. It's quick to set up and incredibly powerful when used right. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more, please visit xfanatical.com.